Nobody out, runner on first, ground ball, nasty slide. The question is this illegal? The bona fide slide rule, does that apply? Slide interference here does not apply. The answer to that is there's no force play at second base. It only can occur at a base. The reason is that the fielder is allowed to tag the base with his foot. Between the bases, there's no base to tag. There's only a runner to tag with a glove, not a foot. That's why that rule doesn't apply. That means the play's not reviewable for interference. You have to go old school. Is this willful and deliberate interference, which is not a reviewable call, and you have to make it on the field? Did the runner intend to deprive the defense of the opportunity to turn a double play? If the answer is yes, you get both the runner and the batter runner out. If the answer is no, only the runner's out because he got tagged on the shoulder. You penalize the smart runner who does something deliberately here, but if there's a stupid, reckless guy that's being an idiot, you don't penalize him because he didn't intend to do it. But if there's malicious contact in your league, you can throw the runner out of the game. Here's the case play on the what if the fielder already fielded it, but before he tagged the guy, no one's allowed to be tackled at any point on a field. You can address that in your judgment, of course. It has to be a judgment call.